Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Fernando Campo. En este momento voy a hacer las operaciones del código médico acerca del guión para poder culminar con la actividad. I have Guion, thanks for being here. I am Luis Ocampo. I am from Colombia. I am a technologist in judicial investigation. I have been working in the local hospital in my town. I am in charge of the fire department and legal medicine platform. I use speaking Spanish as mother language. I am trying to speak in English, but it is very difficult by myself. I am for 1 year old. I look to home out with my family, and I really like to play table games as domino also. I enjoy listening to good music, mostly like salsa. I am in the second semester of radiology and diagnostic imaging. My daily routine is basical. I attend fighting and then I do my daily tasks and organize myself and always have a good coffee next to my wife. Later we go to work. When I arrive in the hospital I feel like my second home because I am I spend a lot of time there. I do the tasks. I find office, my report, answer records, attend users and other times. About my responsibility like about many hard breaks until I keep going with my activities. I take out for my lunch and light nap. Sometimes when join with my wife for lunch, I finish my work at 5 p.m. to follow my university routine until 10 p.m. We overtime is already done. I can go to bed and rest well. We try on the weekend to do different things like I go to my parents' farm. I reality like that because I can myself free. I really appreciate that you guys hear my dual routine. Thank you.